السلام عليكم ورحمة الله تعالى وبركاته أصدقائي. Hello everybody, hope you are all doing well. So I am Mesa, your teacher of English. Welcome to my channel. In today's video we are going to learn more vocabulary, and this time it's related to bathrooms. Okay, we are going to learn items that we can find in every bathroom. Okay, but before we start the lesson, please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, comment, share the video with all your friends. Thank you so much. Now let's start the lesson. The first word is obviously bathroom. 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 Repeat. Hamper. 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 Bath tube. Bath tube. Soap dish. Soap dish. Soap صابون. Dish وعاء. Soap dish. Soap. 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 Repeat. Rubber mat. Rubber mat. Rubber mat. Rubber mat. Wash clothes. Wash clothes. Wash clothes. Repeat after me. Drain. 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 Faucet. Faucet. Repeat. Yes. Faucet. Hot water. Hot water. Hot, it means ساخن. Hot water. Cold water. Cold water. Cold, بارد. Cold. Grab bar. Grab bar. Grab bar. Grab bar. Tail. Tail. Repeat. Tail. Shower head. Shower head. Shower head. Shower curtain. Shower curtain. Curtain. Shower curtain. ستائر. Towel rack. Towel rack. Towel المنشفة. Repeat after me. Bath towel. Bath towel. Repeat. hand towel, hand towel, hand towel. Mirror, mirror, mirror. Toilet paper, toilet paper, toilet paper. Repeat. Toilet brush, toilet brush, toilet brush. And this is a toilet, toilet, toilet. Medicine cabinet, medicine cabinet. Repeat. Medicine cabinet. Toothbrush, toothbrush. Tooth الأسنان, brush فرشاة. Toothbrush. Toothbrush holder, toothbrush holder. Toothbrush holder. Sink, sink, sink. Waste basket, waste basket. ويمكننا قول dustbin. Waste basket. Scale, scale, scale. Bath mat, bath mat, bath mat. Linen closet, linen closet, linen closet. Come, come. Repeat. Come. Bath toys, bath toys, toys ألعاب. Mouthwash, 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 wash غسل. Bathrobe, bathrobe, bathrobe. Hair dryer, hair dryer. Repeat. Hair dryer. Shampoo, shampoo, shampoo. Shower gel, shower gel. Repeat. Shower gel. And the last one is shower. 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 وبهذا أصدقائي نصل إلى نهاية الدرس. أتمنى أن تكونوا استفدتم واستمتعتم. لا تنسوا دعمي وتشجيعي بلايك, subscribe, comment, and why not share the video with all your friends. Thank you so much. See you in the next video. Bye bye.